Make a piece of money that day there. Yeah, man. Make a piece of money that day there, man. Cause you what? We gotta work, me and my boss.
Yes.
So we are going to work a piece of money. My boss is an electrician, you know. You can just go work and sit down and boss and run up work and we do well covered. But that's why Englishman always see my string. But Englishman have a black woman for him there with. So me and boss did their work. Me see black girl coming in a day in a taxi. Man him friend. Jump out a taxi, run, gone upstairs, throw down bag, palm, veranda, yeah. And we there from room to all, you know, cause light we are on. Me and my boss pocket full of money. Every day, cause we have the money. When me look in a bag, say in a bag pretty as fuck, I pass and see money in there, you know. Bag pretty as fuck. Me dip on in eye. Take out some money and pull up, put in a pocket. Gone back, me and my boss, I run up work. That time here, the woman here come ask we if we not see such man, we are clean up yard. Tell him, say no, such man, they are brush fence one night time. Yes, man, know him gone. Say, such man going in bag, I'm thieving money. And him no one know we cause we hard working people.
Stop right there. So, girl, what me do me make you do me that? I eat some fruits tonight. You know, man, I eat peanut. Oh, I'm too dread. Jesus, what do you more to chop? I mean, now cut it out, you know. No, cut it out. Where Bawdacat say a while ago? Go to people them work and see woman put on in money. And he thief him money. And the woman a circle and circle and I say, yo, something missing from my bag. Where yard man there? And he thief me money. Me know I don't kind of hard work. Hey, never judge a book by its cover. Anyways, it's a Bawdacat video. Like a video for me friend now. Let's continue watching.
Say yeah, man. That sound good.
That sound good.
Yo, fuck. Yo, you think such man is God?
So hold on, sorry. Hard working man, no thief people, no thief.
Them no know that.
Okay.
So me no make them wise. Yeah. Such man here, man come around, you know. And when such man here say him thief money, such man start flint your fuck. We up in here, such man a we have cutlass and a go on, you know. Mama no business, mama see you. So you could have caused still judgment come. A you thief mama money. And my boss done clock up work and take herself. My boss go down road the marks. Mama want to drink. Me drink and have heat and smoke. But me not buy a Mataran, you know. I don't have a dollar, brother. No, sir. When me squeeze and check money about 15 grand me.
Good, come on, fat.
Nice piece of butter. Yeah, man.
Smoke that out of this.
No smoke nothing out of this. Remember, me don't know about no money, you know, man. Me not thief.
Where you get money from?
So me not spend no extra money, brother.
Yeah.
Smoke and drink off of the boss
money.
Yeah, man. And me a cat me name, brother. You think me honest like that? Not thief.
I cat my name, brother. You think me honest like that? Me a thief. The other night me tell you why me not like dog. Cause the dog with me, grandmother they have name Rex. Me left my shoes out the door. And the dog thiefy. And me get some lick for that. The reason I me not like cat now. My adopted mother did fry some fish. And I think a escovitch fish. And then put the onion pan and vinegar. A fish nice. So I had half of my fish. And I left half later. And what do you believe say? And then time that we have outside kitchen and the dirty post sneak up under the floor. Cause you know outside kitchen always have some little hole here and there. I know say I feel me because the other rest of fish them did lock up. A me fish. Me plate look at dirty puss going and go name up me fish. From this I'm vex with puss, man. Yeah, man. Anyways, you see it? Boy, I saw people losing their life, you know. Cause Bawdacat thief it and somebody else I get blamed for it. Boy, on to your next video. Beg you to like your video. By liking the video, you know, help me grow the channel. Cause YouTube nah help me with the long form them at all. Just like your video, man. If you see video, just like it.
Walk with him from you, so gone up a doorway in a blues, so you know. So me say them I saw all them a big man, you did love this. No one, I man left out saying one piece. Ratty go, they go look upon him, Ratty say man would spray any and turn would stick. I try brace it down so for peace.
You want to try what?
Brace it down for peace. Ratty say spray any hand. But I watch them something here.
Where Bawdacat just say a while ago? What did I just listen? What did he take? Viagra? Silas. Oh my gosh, they have a new one. Start with C. I'm not gonna Google it for pronouncing, you know, thinking name Silasos or Silasis. Yeah, man, when I take them sitting them on. Problem for your wife. Me not need it, me still young. Don't look for me. And I can't chat, boy. You look like say I take you know. I mean, me drink water. And I say, I be a water me drink. Me even drink alcohol. More alcohol I drink, the more you lose the manhood. Me not drink alcohol like that. Anyways, the man have a hard answer till he can't pee, you know. When you wake up in the morning time, I figure use the bathroom, a problem as a man, you know. Boy, oh boy. Anyways, we not them nice. Until the next video.
If a girl not like you, nobody try nothing with your money.
Could have 1 million a bank and drive
1 million, you could have 100 blood clot million, it can't help you. It just not like you. And you buy all the bling in the world, get the girl and buy water boat for your blood clot self. So where that happen? You buy nice things for yourself and make the girl see you hot and know say why and can't get you all you want.
But the man never knows.
So we take time loss off fire, but you spend the whole of the money.
This again, the worst investment is in the hero bank. Only invest in the hero bank if you have excess amount. When you invest, if you lose that investment or there's no return, which usually there's no return on it, you don't feel no way. Your best investment is in yourself. Second best investment is in something that's gonna bring you a profit. Okay, woman can get up and cut anytime now. Again, woman forget things still now. But if you don't have it, how you gonna give it? Put yourself first. Anyways, we come to the end of our next video. A long time I don't do a Bawdacat video. I hope you like it. If you don't like it, like the video. If you like it, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. Leave a comment in the comment section. Me on the down there. I don't know myself. Manners and respect every day, all the time. And what else? I don't remember what else, but anyways, I appreciate you guys watching as always. Stay safe. God bless.